What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Alright, if you guys remember, we left off, we finished the driver's side, now we're on to the passenger side. So we finally got our leaf spring in. We had pretty much buttoned up all this area. We had installed our stock shock. We had cleaned and painted our hanger here. And we removed all the old suspension parts that were right here. So we're pretty much gonna reinstall the leaf spring, and it shouldn't take us more than 10-15 minutes to finish up the rest that we need here. Alright, we got our leaf spring here. We're gonna go ahead and put our shackle on this side. We're just gonna tighten everything somewhat. We're not gonna torque it down until we put some weight on the truck. So these are all brand new, and these usually have a little thing that says front, and it's pointing towards this side. So this side is going to be towards the front like that. Bam. Okay, I'm gonna put the bolt from the other side. In here. There we go. Loosen it up a little bit. Alright. So it's on there, but it's not too tight where this can still move around freely. This is done. We're gonna move on to putting everything over here. There you go. Go. So we're gonna put this bolt in first right here. I don't know if you guys can see this. Move the camera. So I'm putting this bolt here. I'm gonna somewhat tighten it. There we go. I think that's fine. Alright, went ahead and attached our U-bolts here. You can see here, just the four nuts down here. Like I said, I'm not gonna torque anything down just yet. I wanna make sure that I put some weight on the truck so everything's just hand tightened here. So now that everything's hand tightened, I'm gonna go ahead and put our stock wheels back on, put the weight down, remove our jacks, and then we'll start torquing down everything. Alright, let's go ahead and lower it down. If anything squeaks. Alright. Anything squeaking. Finally, we got rid of all the squeaking. Alright, everything is on and torqued down right now. All brand new rear suspension. Yeah. So I'm gonna call it a day for today. I gotta call my brother and my dad to help me lift this box back up on here. I might give all this a power wash right before. Get all this loose dirt on top. There we have it. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. I'm not gonna show you guys yet the final result of how the truck turned out until I get the tires on. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, a lot of you already saw how it looks. So make sure you guys follow me. Stay tuned for the other videos where we totally transform the truck from a lower truck to a lifted truck. So make sure to support the channel by purchasing your decals. They're on my website for $5, so the link is in the description below. And that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned till next time.
I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably $sign. Got the energy to win it, my nigga, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my